به نام خدا وانی مهربان شروع میکنم درباره افغانستان. میخوانم من از دل و جان به دشمنان افغانستان. اروپا اسیا و آمریکا بفهمی که زنده هستیم ما افغانا. گوشو بلادن او تئوریسا افغانای نو آمدن در دنیا، در جای دنیا اسلام ما افغانا. از خطی که شکستیم قانون در کل کشورها خریادرها او پناهندا آدمایی تانه نفرسین در کشور ما که کشم شد سگ بود و پس میه در قبرستانا. اسلام بلادن تو هستی پدر نانترین آدم کلگی تارن دیده کد از او ریشی چومتر برو ریشی تکال کن تا بگی چطر تکچل کن باز گفته شروع کن. خوش تو هم دوجه خنده نکن که میشه وقت گریانه اگر افغانای نو بیاین گجانه. از این دور از افغانستان ولی هنوز در اگمان از خونه افغان. تو وقتی که کشته شمیده میدان میگی مرسی افغان. Now get down on your fucking knees and it's don't say please don't fake cheese. We all like pennies. Everyone says keep your eyes on AAGs. For some reason no one like to beat with AAGs. They know how we beat. We kill till we chill and don't try to stop us. Always do me good. Fuck yeah, bitches. I'm coming through with my crew. Tough fuck you. Okay now home. Say you sorry. Afghanistan. Protect AFG. Tell you out of blood. AFG's out here shake up the rope. And I'm not being joke. I'm talking what you want. Who's a real Afghan, not just a punk. Everyone heard of AFG and they all sing. How can it be? No one is pussy in AFG. It's cause we don't care about fucking life. All we care to keep the fuck high. Let me tell you something about an AFG. An AFG fuck with everybody, even Balagan. Your brush list, don't even think of getting in Afghanistan. Cause you ain't live the fucking wrong. I know you got me, then get the fuck out of AFG. When you see AFGs anywhere, you gotta get the fuck out of fucking them. Kadere, fucking dance, kadere, fucking dance. We're coming back and ready to attack. I wanna sing yak, should draw us intact. We always a winner, cause we got the power. All I wanna say is to not be with AFG figure. Or you'll lose your money, you'll lose your buddy, you'll lose your life. Don't be for us, it doesn't fit